Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday. Market up or down? We have a very strange day today. The market was down by a penny. My brokerage, I think, says 2 pennies, but it's basically a negligible rounding error. But the beauty of the trading system is it's not by an inch or a mile. A down is down and up is up. So the market is down and we move the trading plan as such. Nothing sold. Good update for the account. We're over 2,400, looking to hit 3,000 to really make huge leaps in this account. So we've got tons of cash. So the first step of the trading plan is to look on the screener to find these positions in order from smallest equity to largest equity. So NOG and Civi. Neither one of those are on here. So next step of the trading plan, make sure you have a trading plan. Make sure it's written down. Make sure it is next to you. Next step is stocks that are in my universe. As I look at the stocks on here, I have one of them in my universe. Good old AT&T. So as we look at AT&T, we're looking for a reason to not take the trade, but we have dividends. Debt is under 4, but it's very high, and PEs are under 15. So if you add these up, the PE and the forward PE, divide by 2, you're going to get less than 15. So 2706 for T. Again, try to keep the position sizing to 1% of my total account. So just one share here. 1% would be $24. But we don't do partial shares on the account so that I can execute orders while I'm asleep. That's the whole point. Make money while you are asleep. So it's not quit my job to become a trader. It is do both. Create the 8th day. Push your will onto the universe. People that do more have more. It's very that simple. Very simple. Alright, so we're going to put the order in here just on the buy side. We're still in timeout. They're looking to change the PDT rule, which will be exciting to share with the folks. 2706, closing print, same for me as it is for you. Limit order, good till cancel, extended hours. So, next step of the trading plan, which is written down, is just go through the top of the list. So we'll go through the rest of these. We're looking for a reason to not take the trade. Like immediately these PEs are both over 15. We know the average will be over 15. We can just move on to the next one. A lot of these have been on the list for a while. You can see debt is over 4. Very simple here. And Jack Henry, I believe we looked at that. PEs are over 15. Kenvue. PEs are too high. I think that was the Tylenol stock. Prison Capital. Usually there's debt going on down here. This one's not too bad. Remember, REITs do debt a little differently, but for the purpose of the illustration of this public account, this debt is over 4. I am not interested. But that wouldn't be a horrible one. T-Mobile. Fees are way too high. And Wolverine, which is usually one we take, fees are too high. So, nice easy video today. For a little big picture, let's take a look at the weekly chart for the S&P 500. And remember, if this order for AT&T should fill at some point today before 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. We'll have a how to hack the PDT video. For right here, let's take a look at the weekly, and you'll see very strong week in the markets. The uptrend is very much still intact until we start breaking the lows. There's really no concern, but I am seeing a lot of rotation. There are stocks that are way up and also stocks that are way down, starting to trigger in the swing trade setup, which I think we're going to make that into a member thing just so I can keep it separated from people that I meet that are brand new and get overwhelmed by all the strategies we do. But the public account, the ideal is to make it an all-in-one account. It's going to do options, it's going to do leverage, it's going to do only the screener stuff. I'm not adding any of the other strategies; those are for other accounts. But hopefully, you can see that we totally outperform even with that strategy, and it gets even more powerful when we have more passive income. So that's what we have for today. Thank you for watching. If you would, leave me a like on the way out. Make sure you're subscribed and share this with your friends. We're dawdling way up, but be ready to trip. So we're just ready no matter what happens. I haven't seen the news or anything. I don't know if the government's still shut down, but when the government comes back up, we'll get a data dump of a bunch of reports that are not coming through now, and it will move the market. So I'm excited to see it happen. Stay safe out there. If you still have a job, save your money. Now's not the time to be reckless. So build a war chest so that you're good through the storm. And remember that difficult times are where people build multi-generational wealth. That's what I'm doing. I hope you're doing the same. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but this is exactly what I'm doing. I just did the order right in front of your very eyes, and it works for me. Hopefully, it can help you refine your trading plan. If you have any questions, reach out. Thank you for watching, and catch you in the next one.